Well, this is Hunter and Dusty, back with some more shenanigans with this car right here. You know what we're about to do. Ooh.
Alright, I'm about to cut the resonator off this thing now. Give it some yeet power.
It wasn't loud enough.
What's right there? I'm cutting this resonator off right here. Alright, boys and girls, after you cut the daggum resonator off like this, you just leave it dangling there like that. See that? It just dangles there. Then you take a piece of chicken wire like this or a coat hanger and you string your pipe up like this. Oh, and you whack yourself in the face with it a couple times. Alright, after you beat the dirt off of you, from being on the other side of the car, you got to get on this side. Do the same thing. Whack yourself in the face a couple times with a coat hanger. And it's going to sound like a true race car. Get up under here. Make sure your pipe's up. You gotta wind your little wire around like this, so kind of have some movement like that. You come over here, try to find yourself a hole around here somewhere. This thing's about good right there. Wrap around your emergency brake here.
Ooh.
That's how you know it's good, when you got it around your emergency brake. Get your wire around like that. Alright folks, after you dust yourself off again, that right there, what we just took off. Now, in a typical race application, you always want to leave that under there. This isn't a race car. You know it's going to sound like a race car, it's not a race car. Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Race car Honda. Sick little idle, don't it? Here we go. Yeah, boys. Woo! Alright, we're in the old Honda shit box. About to hear some noise from the exhaust. Is it so quiet, Hunter?
Yeah, it's too quiet.
Oh my god! Did y'all hear that? People, we're turning around and we got the windows up and the AC going. We're gonna see how loud it is with the windows up. I don't know what you got.
I think it's in the motor It does, it gets kind of quiet. It's kind of quiet and then you drop down on it. My little wiring job did pretty good, huh? The clothes hanger on the exhaust stuff? Yeah, that clothes hanger.
That clothes hanger, guys. Ooh, Pirelli tires. Not a sponsor. Gas mileage disengage.
Just because it took resonator.
joining us on cutting off this resonator on the old Honda over here.
Yeah, sometimes we gotta yell into the camera because I noticed during editing, I can't hear myself at all. Why didn't you guys tell me? Anyways, we're gonna yell into the camera until we get like an external mic or something, but there's more shenanigans with Hunter and Dusty. See y'all in the next one. Like, subscribe. Messing my words. Like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.